Taking care of your teeth is really important. It's not just about having a bright smile, although that's a great bonus. Good dental hygiene impacts your overall health. Think of your mouth as the gateway to your body. When you look after your teeth and gums, you're helping to keep bacteria in check. This can prevent problems like cavities and gum disease. It can even reduce your risk of other health issues. So, how do you maintain a healthy smile? It starts with a solid daily routine. Brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash are the key players in your dental care team. Remember, investing a few minutes each day can save you time, money, and discomfort in the long run. Plus, you'll be flashing a confident, healthy smile.
Want to take your dental care to the next level? Visit our website for more tips and product recommendations.
Brushing your teeth is the cornerstone of good oral hygiene. It's something you should do twice a day, every day, without fail. But it's not just about going through the motions. Using the right technique and tools is crucial. Firstly, always use a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps to strengthen your enamel and fight cavities. Secondly, choose a soft bristled toothbrush. Hard bristles can actually damage your gums and wear down your enamel. Now, for the technique. Angle your brush at 45 degrees towards the gum line. Use gentle, circular motions to clean each tooth individually. Don't forget the inner, outer, and chewing surfaces. Aim to brush for a full 2 minutes each time. It may seem like a while, but it's important to give your teeth a thorough clean. And remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining a healthy, sparkling smile.
Flossing might seem like an optional extra, but it's just as important as brushing. Why? Because your toothbrush can't reach the tight spaces between your teeth. That's where floss comes in. Flossing helps to remove food particles and plaque from those hard-to-reach areas. This prevents plaque buildup, which can lead to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. So, how do you floss like a pro? Start by taking about 18 inches of floss. Wrap it around your middle fingers, leaving a small section for flossing. Gently guide the floss between your teeth using a gentle up and down motion. Curve the floss around each tooth, forming a C shape. Make sure to go below the gum line, but don't snap the floss. Repeat this process for all your teeth, using a fresh section of floss each time.
Brushing and flossing are essential, but they're not the only players in the game of good oral hygiene. Using a mouthwash can provide an extra layer of protection and freshen your breath. Mouthwash helps to kill bacteria, reduce plaque, and strengthen your teeth. There are many different types of mouthwash available, so talk to your dentist to find one that's right for you. But good oral hygiene goes beyond your daily routine. What you eat and drink also plays a significant role. Sugary snacks and drinks are the biggest culprits when it comes to tooth decay. Try to limit your intake of sugary treats and drinks. When you do indulge, be sure to brush your teeth afterwards. And don't forget to visit your dentist every 6 months for a checkup and professional cleaning.
Common dental procedures, keeping your smile intact. Even with the best oral hygiene, problems can arise. Dental procedures address issues and keep your smile healthy. Fillings repair teeth damaged by decay. The decayed portion is removed and filled with special material. Root canals treat infected or inflamed tooth pulp. The infected pulp is removed and the tooth is cleaned. Crowns cover and protect damaged teeth. They fit over your existing tooth. Extractions remove severely damaged teeth. Bridges replace missing teeth, supported by neighboring teeth. Implants replace missing teeth, acting as artificial roots.
Orthodontics for a confident grin. Orthodontics corrects misaligned teeth and jaws. Straight teeth boost confidence and improve oral hygiene. Traditional braces use brackets and wires to move teeth. Clear aligners are a discreet, removable alternative. Retainers maintain teeth alignment after treatment.
Section 7. Cosmetic Dentistry, Enhancing Your Natural Beauty. Cosmetic dentistry focuses on improving the appearance of your smile. Teeth whitening is one of the most popular cosmetic dental procedures. Veneers are thin, custom-made shells bonded to your teeth. Bonding uses a tooth-colored resin to repair chips and cracks. Contouring reshapes teeth by removing small amounts of enamel.
Section 8. The gift of good oral health. Taking care of your teeth and gums is a gift that keeps on giving. The benefits of good oral health extend far beyond a beautiful smile. When you prioritize your dental hygiene, you're investing in your overall well-being. Maintaining a consistent routine of brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash helps to prevent cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. It can also reduce your risk of other health problems, such as heart disease and stroke. Remember, your mouth is a reflection of your overall health. By adopting healthy habits and seeking regular dental care, you can enjoy a lifetime of healthy, confident smiles. So keep brushing, flossing, and smiling.